Through a soulful song performance by our students.
To praise you, let the hearts sing. We are here to give
Positivity. I now invite our students to light the ceremonial lamp and brighten this beautiful day.
Parents and friends, welcome to the annual Arts Day of Vincento Maria Salvini English Medium School, Pomangala, Patalama. Today we celebrate the creativity and talent of all of the students through music, dance, drama and competition. On behalf of the students, I warmly welcome our principal, teachers, parents and guests. Let's enjoy the performance and make this Arts Day memorable and joyful celebration.
We will hear the presidential address delivered by one of our students. Let us listen with attention and encouragement.
With the talents of our students. Let us enjoy the performance. Let's hear for our friends. To officially inaugurate our Arts Day celebration, I invite our head boy to share his thoughts and wishes. Today I would like to felicitation to our principal, teachers and parents. Thank you for your supporting and encouraging us in our all creative activities. Photo thanks. Thank you all for making our Arts Day a happy and memorable event. Your presence means a lot to us.
Ready with witness the creativity, rhythm and for the cultural difference. Let us enjoy the music, dance, drama and all the performance prepared by our talented students. Let the arts be Mama